Welcome. We're diving into the best robo-advisors for passive investing in the USA for 2026. Get ready to learn how to automate your wealth building. Can you really turn just $100 a month into $1 million by age 65? This is the million-dollar question, and the answer lies in smart automation. The best robo-advisors automate this journey, often completely fee-free in 2026. This technology is trusted by over 20 million Americans already. It is crucial to avoid the crippling 1% management fees that can kill your returns over time. We're ranking the top 5 robo-advisors right now to help you keep more of your money. First, let's address why passive investing is the smarter approach and how robo-advisors solve the biggest obstacles. Stock picking might sound exciting, but for the long term, it loses against index funds 90% of the time. You need a better, more consistent strategy. Robo-advisors solve this by automatically building diversified ETF portfolios, rebalancing daily, and even harvesting taxes, all for mere pennies. Look out for new AI features and growth spurred by anticipated Fed cuts in 2026. Now for the main event, our rankings of the top 5 USA robo-advisors for 2026, categorized by what they do best. All are FDIC or SIPC safe, with low minimums and historical 7 to 9% returns. Our number 1, Fidelity Go, is the free king. It charges 0% AUM under $25,000, requires a $0 minimum, and includes tax loss harvesting and cash management options. It's perfect for beginners, demonstrating 8.5% annualized growth since launch. Number 2 is Vanguard Digital Advisor, emphasizing ETF purity. With a low 0.15 to 0.20% fee and a $100 minimum, it invests exclusively in low-expense Vanguard funds. It offers great retirement glide paths and is extremely tax efficient. At number 3, we have Wealthfront, the tax alpha machine. For 0.25% AUM, it features daily tax loss harvesting, which can save you around 1.2% per year. New in 2026 are AI path deviation alerts and powerful risk parity options. Betterment, ranking number 4, offers goal flexibility. With a $10 minimum, it supports multiple financial goals with trackers for houses or kids, plus options for crypto ETFs and socially responsible investing portfolios. Rounding out the top 5 is Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. This platform is no fees premium, boasting 0% AUM. However, it does require a $5,000 minimum. It's been stable since 2015 and is excellent for those seeking stability. To put it in perspective, if you invest $10,000 plus $500 a month for 30 years at 8%, you hit $1.1 million. The total robo fees are only about $3,000 versus over $150,000 lost to the drag of a typical advisor's 1% fee. Now let's look at 3 critical mistakes people make with robo-advisors that you need to dodge. Mistake number 1 is ignoring minimums. While Fidelity Go has 0, platforms like Schwab require a $5,000 minimum, which can be a huge hurdle for new investors. Secondly, don't set a high-risk portfolio when you are 55 or older. Make sure you age-match your portfolio to decrease volatility as you approach retirement. The third mistake is early cash-outs, which trigger capital gains tax. A pro tip: check your portfolio quarterly. This consistency ensures rebalancing compounds an extra 1 to 2% return. It's time to take action. Passive investing is the easiest way to build long-term wealth. Do you agree that Fidelity Go is the best starter pick? Let me know in the comments. Smash the like button for more passive investing hacks and join the FIRE movement by subscribing. Grab our free Robo-Advisor Scorecard PDF in the description. It covers fees, features, and how to find the perfect fit. Set it, forget it, and retire rich.